Acreage feel with in-town convenience. Pride of ownership shines throughout this super clean, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. From the moment you arrive, it is clear this property has been extremely well cared for. The home sits on a beautiful, well-maintained lot with mature trees, a flat usable yard, and plenty of space for kids, pets, gardening, or outdoor entertaining. The backyard extends all the way to the American Little League field, creating a spacious setting that is hard to find inside city limits. A backyard shed offers great dry storage for lawn equipment, gardening tools, and anything else you need to tuck away. The rear-facing deck is a standout feature, offering over 660 square feet of outdoor living space that is perfect for grilling, morning coffee, or relaxing at the end of the day. Inside, the home offers over 1,400 square feet of main floor living space with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fresh paint, new stainless steel appliances, and a solid, well-maintained feel throughout. The attached garage provides over 800 square feet of space with room for 2 vehicles and plenty of additional storage. The unfinished basement adds even more storage and gives the next owner room to expand if desired. Very few homes offer this level of care, space, and usability in town. If you are looking for a clean, move-in ready home with an acreage feel in a great location, this property deserves a look.